So the last lecture include or about the basic introductions or some expand introduction about client side and server side. In this lecture, we will go to the IDE, that is integrated development environment, where we need to set up for the project. Okay, if you are working on simple HTML, if you are as a beginner, so just write a type, open your Notepad in the Windows and VI editor in Linux or any default editor in your operating system. Just write a code of the HTML and save it as .html and move to your Chrome or your browser and run it. And if you are changing any text or any style in your web page, and you need to back go or refresh your page, and then you will show it. If you move toward the Notepad++, so the Notepad++ is a open source editor tool which has a package manager facilities and plugins also there, which is some enhanced to or advanced level to the Notepad. But the same problem is we have to go back and refresh again web pages. And so for the better development, we need a bracket. For to download the bracket, go to the bracket.io, or to download the Notepad++, just go to the notepad++.org and download the Notepad++ as per your operating system. So this is a website where you can download the Notepad++, and there is some documentations also, or you can go through it. I'm using here a bracket. For the bracket, you just need to go bracket.io website, that is bracket.io, which is a modern open source text editor that understands the web designing your concept. It is a simple tool, or we can say the development environment facility where you can add editor, where you can do your working area. Here I'm already downloaded my IDE, this one, and this is in the middle section there is a code part, or on the left side there is a navigation panel, or on the top side there is some menus or menus. Navigation pane have a folder and a folder inside the files, and you can also create new folder and new files in that. I will tell you in detail about that. And there is some menu sections in my editor brackets that have, or also debug panel. Here we can go to here and check here. On the right side there, left side, we can add a new file or set as a new folder as a project. So here I'm doing open as folder and creating my file folder in exact location. And here location is I'm using the XAMPP server where I'm going to start. So this is a completely bracket introduction and or some information about the bracket. So for the XAMPP, just going to the apachefriends.org and download the XAMPP, because I'm here using as a server development as a XAMPP as a beginner. So I'm downloading the XAMPP for my Windows, and if I'm using the Mac, I'm using XAMPP for Linux for LAMP. So we can also download XAMPP for different operating systems. Linux for Linux, and for Mac also from apache.org. So it is a completely package of the Apache server and MySQL database server we need in the further part. So now get back to my bracket. I'm doing open my folder and go back to the XAMPP panel and htdocs, where I'm saving my project. Go to the XAMPP and htdocs, then create a new folder. Here I'm code one my folder name, and select as a folder. So this folder work as a project. Okay, simple setup is start here project. Now what I'm doing, just creating a new file that is from left side below the code 1 section. So in the next part I will tell you how to create files and how to work on the particular course. So thanks.